Imagine a drone so small it fits in your palm, yet so powerful it captures cinematic 6K footage that rivals professional Hollywood rigs. For years, the sub-250-gram category was defined by compromise. You either chose portability or you chose image quality. But everything is about to change. We are looking at the next evolution of aerial photography, a machine designed not just to fly, but to redefine what is possible in the sky. If you have been waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade, or if you have been holding off on the Mini 5 Pro, this is the information you have been looking for. We are diving deep into the hardware, the sensor technology, and the flight capabilities that are set to make this the most disruptive launch in DJI history. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The rumors surrounding the Mini 6 Pro are not just speculative chatter. They are backed by significant supply chain breadcrumbs and internal testing logs that point to a massive generational leap. We aren't just talking about a minor update. We are talking about a fundamental shift in drone engineering. At the heart of this discussion is the rumored 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. For a long time, the physical constraints of a sub-250-gram drone made a 1-inch sensor nearly impossible without sacrificing stability or battery life. However, new stacked sensor technology allows for higher light sensitivity and significantly faster readout speeds. This means less rolling shutter, better dynamic range in high-contrast environments, and a level of low-light performance that was previously reserved for the much larger Air and Mavic series. Think about the implications for your workflow. Whether you're a solo travel creator hiking up a mountain at dawn or a professional real estate photographer shooting in deep shadows, the ability to pull usable, high bitrate footage from a sensor this size is a game-changer. The Aperture is another area where DJI is reportedly pushing boundaries. We are hearing strong whispers of a variable aperture system ranging from f/1.8 to f/11. This is massive. It means you can finally maintain that perfect cinematic motion blur without constantly stopping your flight to switch out physical ND filters. You are essentially carrying a professional cinema camera in your pocket, one that is ready for any lighting condition the moment it takes flight. But hardware is only one half of the story. The software and sensing capabilities are where the Mini 6 Pro truly starts to feel like a flagship device. The introduction of Nightscape LiDAR is perhaps the most exciting piece of the puzzle. Most current obstacle avoidance systems rely on visual sensors that struggle in low-light or high-contrast scenarios. By moving toward a dedicated LiDAR system, the Mini 6 Pro will be able to map its environment in 3 dimensions with incredible accuracy, regardless of the available light. Imagine flying through a dense forest at dusk or navigating a dimly lit industrial space with complete confidence. The drone isn't just seeing obstacles, it's building a real-time spatial map, allowing for smoother, safer autonomous flight paths. Then there is the transmission. The O5 transmission system is the silent hero of this update. We know that in dense urban environments like New York, London, or Tokyo, signal interference is the primary enemy of every drone pilot. O5 is rumored to provide a significantly more robust connection, ensuring that your 1080p live feed remains crystal clear even when you're pushing the limits of your range. This is not just about flying further. It's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing your connection won't drop when you're navigating through complex or crowded environments. Of course, all these features usually come at the cost of battery life, but DJI seems to have solved this through a shift in battery chemistry. We are looking at high-density solid-state battery cells that could push flight times toward the 60-minute mark. This is a massive jump from previous generations. For many, this effectively ends range anxiety. You will no longer feel the constant pressure to land every 20 minutes to swap packs. You can spend more time composing the perfect shot, more time experimenting with flight angles, and more time actually enjoying the creative process. As we look toward the 2026 roadmap, it is clear that DJI is positioning this product to be the ultimate tool for both hobbyists and professionals who operate under Part 107 regulations. By keeping the drone under the critical 250-gram threshold, DJI is giving users a way to access high-end, cinema-grade aerial capabilities while remaining compliant with local aviation authorities. It is the best of both worlds, a machine that is small enough to travel anywhere, but powerful enough to handle professional-grade production tasks. If you look at the industry trends, the competition is beginning to catch up with features like AI-assisted flight modes and better stability. However, the ecosystem advantage that DJI holds, the app integration, the flight stability, and the reliability of the software, remains unmatched. The Mini 6 Pro isn't just about competing, it is about widening the gap. The integration of advanced AI tracking and smart flight modes means that even if you are flying alone, the drone acts like a professional camera operator, tracking your movement, adjusting exposure, and keeping your subject perfectly framed. As we approach the official release window, the question is not whether this drone is good, but whether you are prepared to leverage its capabilities. The technology is moving fast, and the tools available to creators are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Choosing the right gear is no longer just about the specs on a sheet. It is about how those specs integrate into your daily life and your creative vision. The Mini 6 Pro represents a moment where the Mini classification no longer implies a compromise in performance. It is a bold statement from a company that has dominated the skies for a decade, and it is a signal that the future of aerial cinematography is becoming smaller, lighter, and more capable than ever before. Stay tuned as we continue to track these leaks and provide updates as they become available. We are committed to ensuring you have all the facts before you make your next investment. The landscape of drone technology is changing, and we are here to help you navigate it. Keep your eyes on the horizon, keep your creative momentum going, and remember that the best shot is always the one you are ready to capture. There is so much more to uncover in the coming weeks, from detailed pricing breakdowns to the final list of compatible accessories that will transform how you pack and deploy your gear. As these leaks solidify into official specs, we will be here to break them down, compare them against the current gold standards, and tell you exactly what you need to know to stay ahead. The journey toward the next generation of flight is just beginning, and we're glad to have you with us on the way.